Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix smart lock not working on Realme 16. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click on hold side power button and swipe up. Restart device from here. After swipe up, enter your phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search, scroll down and click on Google app. After click on Google app, if you want to fix this problem, click on storage usage and click on clear cache. After clear cache Google app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and update. Click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so last solution is reset all settings. Click on settings app, scroll down and click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix smart lock not working on Realme 16. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.